Hey guys, and welcome to another weekly grocery haul and meal plan inspiration. We are back home. I just got home from Aldi and Wegmans. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out the shop with me. The link will be down in the description below. And let's go check out what we got this week. Alrighty, here we are. We are back from Aldi and Wegmans, and we are kind of in a new setting right now. I'm redoing like my lower level, so this is also like a craft room slash dining room, but we're not exactly done. So you guys get to see the work in progress here. But in the meantime, let's get to our haul. We're gonna start over here with the produce like we usually do. Now, these are actually from Wegmans, these two pears. I'm going to be making like a crostini. We're doing a brunch this weekend with some family. So I'm going to use the pears to top the crostini. Behind that, we have some potatoes. I'm going to be doing like some hash browns with that as well. Or home fries, I mean. And then I have some tomatoes. I also have, and the potatoes, the tomatoes, and just about everything else is from Aldi. The cucumber. And that's just a normal cucumber, not seedless. I grabbed some cilantro. Their cilantro was not looking too great this week, but I grabbed a bag from the back that looked a little bit fresher. I also grabbed some lemons. I noticed their lemons are like mammoth. These things are huge. There's only 4 in there. Usually I feel like there's at least 6. But because they are so big, there's only 4 in there lately. Our mound of bananas. And then, and the last produce item I got from Aldi was pineapple. They had pineapple on sale, so I grabbed one of those so we can cut it up, keep it in the fridge, use it as a snack. And then from Wegmans, a couple other things I got. I grabbed 2 limes. And then I also grabbed some of this live basil. I said in my shop with me video, if you didn't watch that I need to really honestly just start growing basil plant. Guys, let me know in the comments, do you guys grow your own herbs or not? I really want to get into growing my own herbs because I use them so much. Moving on, so behind that from Aldi, again, I grabbed some diapers for my son. These are the size 4, 82 in the pack. And Aldi also had these adorable planters on sale. I know it's already almost April. We're halfway through March now. But I still haven't bought a planner for this year. So I went ahead and I grabbed this one. I really liked it because it has like these separate sections in it along with like the daily calendars. And then there's also like, at the beginning of the month, goal setting and stuff like that. So planners are a really good way to keep yourself organized, especially as a stay-at-home mom or literally anybody who does literally anything. Get yourself a planner. I highly recommend. All right, moving on. I grabbed some flour. I'm going to be doing some baking this week. I'm going to make like a lemon coffee cake for that brunch as well. Waffles for my son for his breakfast because we were out of those. And again, for my son, some of these squeezes that I buy every week. These are organic. They're fantastic. I do my little spiel just for anybody who hasn't watched these videos yet, but these are really nice, and I like to get them just so I can make sure he's getting all his fruits and vegetables because he's not even 2 yet, and he is so picky already. speaking of picky, all he really eats are chicken nuggets and like these fish sticks, but the stores have been really low on chicken nuggets. They didn't have the chicken patties either, so I opted for fish sticks this week. I still have some chicken nuggets in my freezer, so hopefully it'll all carry us over to next week, and they'll have some more. Coffee, the K-cups, these are for my husband to take to work, so I grabbed some more of those. I also have olives. I honestly can't even remember what I bought the olives for right now. I'm totally spacing, and I know they're for something. Tuna. Trying to keep just, like lunch costs low this week. So 3 cans of tuna is a lot cheaper than a pound of deli meat, of literally any deli meat, literally any deli meat. But so yeah, I grabbed some of the tuna. And then I have some meats and cheeses here. So these cheeses, these were also on sale at Aldi. I was looking for a cheese to complement the pears that I have over here. And I'm thinking this cranberry cinnamon one is going to be really good. But so with the blueberry vanilla, I don't know. Maybe I'll use a little bit of both. But I'm going to use the pears. And I might throw some of this turkey bacon on it. I don't know yet. Let's see. Then I got some cheese here. I got some American and mild cheddar. These are really mostly just like for lunches to put on my son's sandwiches and stuff. Turkey sausage. I'm going to be making up some turkey sausage breakfast patties with this. I also have some turkey bacon. Like I said, I might crumble a couple pieces up and sprinkle them on top of the crostini. Wow, I keep forgetting the words. I can't think today. But I grabbed 2 packages of these turkey bacons. They're 8 ounces each, so we have a pound of bacon. Hopefully that'll be enough food. We have some big eaters in my husband's family. Beef smoked sausage. I grabbed the kielbasa style smoked sausage. I'm going to be using this in a soup. Sliding over just a tad, we're almost done with the Aldi stuff. I feel like this week's haul is a little bit smaller than it normally has been. As of lately, at least. I feel like I've just been buying so much stuff lately. I have to slow down. French bread with French baguette. This is going to be the one that's used for the crostini yet again. It's a take and bake, so I'm just gonna, toss it in the oven, heat it up, and then I'll let it cool down. I'll cut it, and then I'll throw it back in the oven to kind of twice bake it. Okay, so a couple more snacks here from Aldi. I grabbed more of these cookies for my son, and my husband definitely has been eating these too. Thin wheats, these were on sale. They're like the wheat thins. And I love wheat thins. I mean, I used to eat them all the time. They were a really trendy food back when I was in high school. So they're a very nostalgic item for me. So I grabbed me some wheat thins. And then yogurt. We have some yogurt here because I needed a yogurt for a couple different recipes, including that coffee cake. And I grabbed the honey yogurt. I usually do the honey vanilla, but they didn't have any of that one, so I just grabbed the regular honey. My son really likes this for breakfast. It also makes him eat his fruit. Maple syrup. I mentioned in my shop with me that I normally buy, I prefer to buy the local stuff because I am in New York and it is plentiful and abundant and it's really easy to find and I like to support local businesses. But for convenience sake, I grabbed that. That is, two more things. Okay. I grabbed some more of the caramel macchiato coffee creamer. And then I saw this over in their Easter stuff. I thought it was really fun. Their truffle eggs, the chocolate truffle eggs. I'm really excited to try these. They look amazing. And they got some different flavors here. Fruit cocktail, cherry with chocolate mousse, lemon with chocolate mousse, mixed fruit jelly with vanilla cream, raspberry, and strawberry rhubarb. The strawberry rhubarb, they put that in a lot of their seasonal chocolate assortments. And guys, that one is so good if you like strawberry. I believe that is all I got from Aldi. So I just have a few of these things from Wegmans. Aside from those produce items that you saw, I grabbed some cotton balls because I use these a lot, for cosmetics and things. I had to re-up on my nutritional yeast. I love putting this on popcorn, and I also use it in things like seitan and anything that I want to kind of give like a nuttier or cheesy flavor to. I grabbed a can of coconut milk. I'm not a fan of the Goya coconut milk that they sell at Aldi because it's always kind of like separated and not in like the good way, you know, where the cream separates from the water. It's like, it doesn't emulsify and it doesn't separate if you want to only scoop out the cream part. So I grabbed the Wegmans. This one's actually really nice. I also have, did I say ginger? I also grabbed some ginger. I feel like I bought this recently, but now I cannot find it or remember, so I grabbed another one, dried ginger. I also had to grab, I didn't have to, but I decided to grab some fish sauce because I do a lot of like Thai and Asian style recipes that call for fish sauce. And I never use it. I always just kind of substitute it with like a soy sauce mixed with like stock. But I bit the bullet and I decided to go for the fish sauce because I make these recipes so often that it will be worth it. I will use it. Here I have a little thing of whole milk. I need this for that coffee cake recipe, but we don't drink like regular milk like that around here. So I got just the little one just so I wouldn't waste a ton of milk. And then we have a couple snacks and that wraps it up here, guys. So let's start here. We have these blue corn tortilla chips. I love blue tortilla chips. What is your favorite tortilla chip? Let me know that in the comment as well, guys, because the blue ones are my favorite. They're so good. I grabbed some of these Harvest snacks. Normally they're like the green pea, but these ones are just like the baked lentil and they're tomato basil flavored. And then I grabbed more of these pretzel crisps. This is the honey mustard and onion. I've never had this flavor, but it looks really good to me. And I don't know what dip they got there. Oh, what is that? Oh, okay. French onion dip, caramelized onion, and thyme. That looks amazing. I should have looked at that before I left the store. And then last but not least, in the Asian aisle, I spotted some of these roasted sunflower seeds. They had a couple different flavors. They had a regular like roasted, they had a hot and spicy, and this was the last package of coconut flavors. See right there. And I thought that sounded really interesting. So, yeah, we're gonna give these a try. They're like vacuum sealed. So this is literally like full of sunflower seeds. So I'm excited to try those. But yes, guys, that is it for this week's weekly grocery haul. Make sure you check out the shop with me. The link will be down in the description below. And if you guys need some meal plan inspiration, I got that coming for you right now. All right, y'all, here we are with this week's weekly meal plan. For breakfast is our usual. So we just have like waffles and fruit, or we can do fruit and that honey yogurt, which is really good. In lunches, we have a tuna because I'm just trying to keep it, low key this week. So tuna and cheese sandwiches. Sometimes I toast them. We can also do peanut butter and jelly. I also have been doing like peanut butter and banana lately. My son seems to like that. And I can serve that to him with a squeeze and some crackers. I have all different kinds of crackers right now, so we are good on crackers. Monday for dinners now. Monday I'm going to be doing like a baked chicken with some of that crispy chicken skin. I still have some of those like chicken thighs with the bone in them, so I'll do that. And I will serve that just with some roasted potatoes. I'll season them up with some like Italian herbs. Tuesday I'll be making a zuppa toscana copycat recipe, but I will be using that beef kielbasa that I bought. Wednesday, I'll just do a simple spaghetti with like garlic and herbs, Parmesan cheese. I'll throw some chicken in there if I have leftover chicken this week. Now, Thursday, I'm going to do, because this week I didn't get to the butter chicken recipe that I was going to make, so I'm going to do the garam masala butter chicken, and I will serve that over some rice, and I'm thinking I probably will make some naan to go with it too, because Friday I'm going to be making chicken souvlaki. Chicken souvlaki is a Greek dish, and it is chicken marinated in like yogurt and spices and things like that. It's delicious, and it's usually served on naan or pita bread. So I have a little bit of leftover basil tzatziki that I made from last week, those Mediterranean bowls that I made last week. So I will use up the remainder of that, and I will make some chicken souvlaki. Saturday, I will do a Thai red curry soup. I already had all the ingredients at home for that, for the most part, so I figured why not just make that. It's basically a free meal. And then on Sunday, once again, I already had all the ingredients to do chicken fajitas. I'm gonna be making some like homemade low carb tortillas, and I'm thinking about filming that for you guys. Maybe, maybe not, but I will do the chicken fajitas with the homemade low carb tortillas. And Sunday, that day for brunch, I'm also having some family members over. We're gonna do a little brunch. So for that, I'm going to serve up just like some eggs. I'll probably just do like scrambled eggs, and then I will make some homemade home fries. And then I'll serve up some turkey sausage with that roll of ground turkey that I bought, turkey bacon, and then I will be making those crostinis, and they're gonna have like some glazed pear as well as one or both of those goat cheese that I bought, and I might drizzle it with some honey. I might sprinkle some of the turkey bacon on there. I just don't really know yet, but something like that. But that is it for this week's weekly grocery haul and meal plan, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel and check out the shop with me. I also have my avgol en mano recipe, and I will put that also in the link in the description below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, I love you. Bye.